everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're back from Paris. We're back at home. If you haven't already done so, please go and take a look at our Paris vlog. We were in Paris a couple of weeks ago, but now we're back at home trying to get the outdoor spaces cleaned up and spruced up. So I'm getting my flowers planted. We're gonna clean the outdoor cushions and just get everything right for relaxing in the summertime before we head out for our next vacation. So to clean the cushions, I used a mixture of water, vinegar, and Dawn dish soap. Mixed it up, and that's what I used to brush and scrub the cushions with. Now this content I recorded back in late April, right before we took a quick cruise vacation to the Bahamas. If you get a chance, check out that video. I will have it up and ready really soon. If maybe by the time you see this video, I will have the Bahamas video up. But like I said, we were getting ready for a cruise. We were also getting ready to do some home improvements. We removed the what is it called, the shower insert, the shower and tub insert in our downstairs guest bathroom. So stay tuned and watch out for future videos as I show you guys how we get the bathroom transformed from a tub and shower insert to a walk-in shower. So right here, babe is taking down all of the lights and the curtains. We're going to remove all of the furniture so that he can get started sweeping, blowing out the dust from the screen patio, pressure washing, and just getting everything clean and ready to go. Oh my God, it really doesn't take long for outdoor spaces to get cruddy and dirty, but we try to keep it cleaned up. We'll clean up out here probably 4 or 5 times a year, good cleanings, you know, where we remove the furniture, and the springtime is definitely one of those times we'll remove everything and pressure wash the floors and the furniture. Now that everything is dry, babe's pulling everything back in. The pillows are dry, and we can get the porch set back up and ready to go. All right, so I ordered these curtains from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I am going to replace the burlap curtains that we have up now with these. These are outdoor curtains. Don't have the specs on them, but they are outdoor. It says Valencia indoor outdoor khaki 95-inch panels. I bought 12 of these. I got 6 in one shipment and 6 in another. I don't need 12. Because I wasn't planning on replacing this curtain and this curtain. We were going to try to like keep that part open. But I bought 12 because they were on sale. They were only, I think, $14.99. So that way, if I need to replace any, I have a set. These have been up for 3 years, and I got these at a discount place at the outlet mall down the street, and they were too long. I actually had to cut them, but they've started to mildew and mold and stuff, so we're going to take these down. I didn't want to wash them. They're burlap. I guess I could have put them in the wash machine, but I really didn't want to do that. But these new ones, I should be able to wash these if I need to or if I want to, and I will. And then when I went to TJ Maxx yesterday, I stumbled upon these pillows. So they match the curtains almost exactly. This to me looks khaki. I don't know how it's showing up on the camera, but it feels like it's a little bit of has a green undertone to it, but it looks just like the stripes. I don't know, maybe it's the same color, but they match and they should go well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, stay tuned as we transform our downstairs bathroom as well as our return trip to